That's right for Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. We've got some 65mm Ultima 5-degree triple trees. Okay, beautiful billet alley. We'll also take the hidden stops down here. Well, you have got stops as well, but you can actually have the hidden stops down here as well if you want to do that. As you can see, beautifully made, all CNC. It's got the plastic on to protect it. This obviously is adjustable, and that will go in and be tightened up here. So you've got stops here, but if you want to, you can use these holes here and mount the stopless triple trees, which we do. Okay, you can see the thickness of these things are really well made, beautifully made. These are like ball milled. Will fit softails. You could possibly fit them on other bikes as well if you want to fit 41mm forks on some of the early Sportsters, etc. Also got them in stock through the 65mm Ultima upside down forks as well in 5-degree rake, which are very rare. If you're interested in any great products from Custom Cruisers, triple trees, etc., we've got Yoss Alley trees, we've got Ultima, we've got MCS, you know, quite a few Island Nest, Rick Doss.